Namaste. Welcome back to the session, children. In the previous class, we have discussed the relationship between the time and work. Work done varies directly with the time taken. As the work done increases, time increases. If the work done decreases, time taken decreases. So they are directly proportional to each other. Number of person varies inversely with the time taken. Inversely, if the number of person increases, time taken decreases. If the number of person decreases, then time taken increases. We also recalled regarding the speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is directly proportional to the distance. If the speed increases, distance increases. If the speed decreases, distance decreases. And relation with the speed and time, they are inversely proportional. If the speed increases, time decreases. If the speed decreases, time taken increases. And now the relation between the distance and time, they vary directly. If distance increases, time taken increases. If the distance decreases, time taken decreases. And also we discussed the moving object crossing a tunnel or a platform or a standing train or a bridge. At that time we need to add the length of a platform, length of a distance of a bridge, length of a tunnel or length of a standing train to the moving object length. That becomes a total distance. If the objects, stationary objects like pole, man standing on the platform or a tree, these all distance you are not supposed to add to the moving object because they are having negligible distance than compared to such kind of stationary objects. This also we discussed in the previous class. In kilometer per hour, we want to convert into meter per second, then the speed should be multiplied with 5 by 18. If meter per second is given and you need to convert to kilometer per hour, then you need to multiply the speed given with the 18 by 5. This conversion also we discussed in the previous class. So and also we solved first 6 questions. Now we'll go from 7th question. The question given: a train 150 meter long is running at 72 km per hour. It crosses a bridge in 13 seconds. Find the length of the bridge. So it is this kind of question, children. A train is standing here. 150 meter long, and it moves with a speed of 72 km per hour and it crosses the bridge. Okay, in 13 seconds, find the length of the bridge. So the train moves from one side to the other side. Means it covers this distance with this distance, right? Means we should add the length of a tunnel or the length of a bridge to the length of a train. So here the length of the bridge is asking us to find. So let the length of the bridge be x meter. Then total distance covered is equal to the length of a train plus the length of a bridge. So this is the total distance. Now we have to prepare a table. Sorry, here table is not required, and time taken is 13 seconds. Time equal to 13 seconds. Speed equal to 72 km per hour. So which equal to, here the length of distance is given in meters and time is given in seconds, but the speed is given 72 km per hour. So the kilometer per hour should be changed into meter per second. So meter per second, in the sense kilometer to meter per second is nothing but 5 by 18. 72 into 5 by 18. Then 18 ones are 18 fours are. Then 4 5s are 20 meter per second. So speed equal to 20 meter per second. We know that WKT is nothing but, we know that speed is equal to distance by time. What is the speed? Speed is 20 meter per second. So 20 equal to, what is the distance? Distance you have to take total distance, children. 150 plus x divided by time taken is 13 seconds. So 20 can be written as 20 by 1. Apply cross multiplication rule. 150 plus x equal to 20 into 13. Then 150 plus x equal to 13 to 26, 260. Then x equal to 260 minus 150, because plus 150 changes to minus 150. Then x equal to 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. 110. But what is x, our assumption? X is nothing but length of a bridge, which is in meters. Therefore, x equal to 110 meters. Give the conclusion. Hence, the length of bridge is 110 meters. Like this you need to solve, children. You can solve even in a table way. Just I'll give a table. Okay. If you want, you can go with the table process also. So what are the two quantities you are going to take here? Here he is asking length of the bridge, means distance in meters, and what he's given? Time taken, right? Time in seconds. So first one you should make sure from the speed conversion. From here you have to write. Okay, 20 can be written as 20 by 1. So for 1 second the distance covered is 20 meters. Then for 13 seconds, what is the total distance covered? 150 plus x. Right? Then you see here, from here to here it is in increasing, and you can see here is only 20, here 150 plus x means it is also in increasing order. So when both are in increasing, the case is of direct variation. The case is of direct variation. Then x by y is equal to k, where k is constant. Further step, you can carry on, children. Any method you can solve, they'll allot the marks. By solving this method also, you will get the length of a bridge is equal to 110 meters only. Now we'll move to 8th question. How long will a train 150 meter long take to clear a platform 130 meter long if its speed is 50 km per hour? So here the question is asked how long. How long in the sense we need to find the time taken. Okay, what is the length of train? The length of train is 120 meter long and the length of platform is 130 meter long. So the total distance covered is 120 plus 130. You should add up, and the speed is given. So distance is given, speed is given. So we can find the time by using speed is equal to distance by time taken. So solution, total distance equal to 120 plus 130, which equal to 250 meter. Okay, and the speed is given, speed equal to 50 kilometer per hour. So keep remember, here it is given in meters, but here the distance is in kilometer. So we'll convert meter in kilometer into meter. So 50 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Cancel, 2 9s are 18, 2 25s are. Further cancellation is not possible. 25 into 5 is 125 by 9 meter per second. Then speed is equal to distance by time. Then here he is asking us to find the time taken. So I'll cross multiply. Then t is equal to distance by speed. Then t is equal to, the distance is 250, you have to take total distance, children, divided by speed is equal to 125 by 9. So here the denominator of denominator, this is in denominator, in that 9 is in denominator. So 9 is denominator of denominator, always moves to numerator. Okay, then t is equal to 250 into 9 divided by 125. Any cancellation? Yes, 25 ones are 125 ones are 125 twos are. Then t is equal to 2 nines are 18. But 18, is it in hour or seconds? So converted is meter per second. So it is in seconds. So the time taken to cross the platform is in 18 seconds. So give the conclusion. Yes, what is the conclusion? Hence, train clears a platform in 18 seconds. The another method also you can go, children, by making a table. Okay, so here converting a table, making a table with the help of speed. So speed, what you will write here? Here you will take the two quantities are distance and time, because here it is asked time and the total distance is given. So the two quantities are distance and time. So here 9 seconds 125 meters, then for 250 meters it will be more than 9. Therefore it will be in direct variation, because we know that distance and time varies directly. So now we'll move to question number 9. It states that a train 210 meter long took 12 seconds to pass a 90 meter long tunnel. Though here the stationary object is tunnel whose length is 90 meter. Find the speed of the train. Speed of the train. We know the speed formula. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Distance, what you will take? You should add up, because it takes 12 seconds to cross the 90 meter long tunnel. So total distance you should add these two. Time is given. Then use the speed formula. So total distance equal to 210 plus 90, which equal to 300 meter. And time taken, time is given, which is in seconds, which is 12 seconds. So total distance, time. We know that WKT stands for, we know that speed is equal to distance by time. This formula you have learnt in science last year, children, in 7th standard. Then speed is equal to distance, in the sense you should take total distance 300 by time taken is 12. So cancel. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s, 2 5s 10, 0. Then 2 3s are 2 7s are 14, 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, then 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Then speed is equal to 25. But what is the unit? Distance is in meter, time is in seconds. So meter per second. Then you should write, hence the speed of train is, speed of the train is 25 meter per second. Then the doubt arises, can we make a table and do it? You cannot do it, children, because the speed is not given there. He is asking speed. When they are asking the speed, only this method you can go, when total distance and the time is given. So now we'll move to question number 10. It states that a train 270 meter long is running at 80 km per hour. How much time will it take to cross a platform of 130 meter long? So the length of platform is given and the length of train is given. So we should add up. And the speed is given. He is asking us to find the time taken. So we'll try to solve without making a table, children. With the table also you can solve this question. Okay. Solution. Total distance equal to 270 plus 130. So 0, 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Then 2, 3, 4. So 400 meter. And the speed is given. Speed equal to 80 kilometer per hour. So be aware here children, the distance is in meter. And here speed is nothing but distance by time. So here distance is in kilometer. So we'll convert to meter. 80 into 5 by 18. Then 2 9s are 18. 2 40s are. Then 4 5s are 20. So 200 divided by 9 meter per second. Further cancellation is not possible. Then applied speed formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Then speed, what is the speed value? 200 by 9 is equal to distance. Distance you have to take total distance children. 400 divided by time. What is the time? Don't know. He is asking us to find the time only. Okay. Then apply cross multiplication rule. 200 into time, I'll write abbreviation as T, equal to 9 into 400. Then since here it is under multiplication, changes to division. Then 200 ones are, 200 twos are. Then T is equal to 9 twos are 18. What it is in meter? It is in seconds or hours? Check it. Seconds. Yes. 18 seconds. Give the conclusion by writing the end statement. So what you will write the end statement? Hence, train takes 18 seconds to cross a platform of 130 meter long. Okay, we'll move to value based question children now. So moving to value based question. First question. 2 children were eating at Master Baker's having 3 slices of pizza each. How many slices? 3 slices pizza of each. Okay. All of a sudden, one of their friends came and they shared pizza slice equally among 3. How many slices of pizza would each get? So before a friend arrived there, they were having 3 slices of pizza each. How many? 2 children, right? 2 children are having total 6 pizzas, but each were getting 3 slices. 6 slices, 3 slices each gets. Next, there is a sudden of the friend, okay, and they are sharing the pizza slices. So how many each will get if one of his friend added? Means first initially there were 2. One of the friend will come. So total it becomes 3 friends. 3 children. So each will get how many slices of pizza? So without creating the table also you can solve this question. Now let me create a table and show to you whether it is direct variation or inverse variation. So here the 2 quantities will be number of children and number of slices. So 2 children, when there were 2 children, each would have got 3 slices of pizza and the slice of pizza was divided equally children. Okay, and one of his friend arrives, means here it becomes 3 members because of 2 plus 1. And how many slices of pizza each will get? Here to here you can see the number of children are increased. Do you expect that there is an increasing in number of slices of pizza? No, it will be of decreasing. So one increasing, one decreasing is nothing but inverse variation. This is the case of inverse variation. Therefore, we know that inverse variation is nothing but product. X into y equal to k constant. Therefore, x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. We write direct variation as x1 by y1, whereas for inverse variation x1 into y1. Okay, this is x, y, x1, x2, y1, y2. Then 2 into 3 is equal to x2 into, we don't know this, so let us assume it is an a. Next, sorry, x2 is 3. Here you have to write 3. Then a equal to 2 into 3. This is under multiplication, changes to division. 3 get cancels. A equal to 2. According to your assumption, a is nothing but number of slice. Therefore 2 slice of pizza would each get, or you can write it as each child will get 2 slices of pizza, or end statement can be written as each child gets 2 slices of pizza. Even you can write the end statement in this way. Okay, this is how you have to solve, children. There is B question also. What is that? So B question state that, is it good to eat junk food like pizza? Give reason. Is it good, children? No. Yes. No, it is not good to eat junk food like pizza. You have to reason it. Why? Because they are made up of harmful substance. It also harmful to our health. Because they are made up of harmful substance and it is also harmful to our health. Because of this reason, it is not good to eat junk food like pizza. So we'll go to second question, children. Question 2. Second question. By walking for 30 minutes in the morning, Namita covers 2 kilometers. So here 30 minutes, 2 kilometers. Okay. How much distance will she covers in 20 minutes by walking at the same pace? So here he is asking, what is the distance covered by Namita by walking 20 table. So here two quantities given are time and the distance. Time is given in minutes and the distance is given in kilometer. So 30 minutes she covers 2 kilometers. Then for 20 minutes, can she cover 2 kilometers or less than 2 kilometers? Of course it will be less than 2 kilometers. Less than 2 kilometers means decreasing. Here 30 to 20 it became decreasing. So both are in decreasing. Therefore it is in direct variation. Keep remember the distance is in kilometer, time is in minutes. So we'll consider this as A. So write the sentence. This is the case of direct variation. In direct variation we know that both the quantity should be in increasing or both the quantity should be in decreasing order. So x by y equal to k, constant. Then x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Substitute the values. 20 by 2 equal to 20 by a. Then cross multiply. 30 into a equal to 2 into 20. Then 30 is under multiplication with the variable a. Then a equal to 2 into 20 by 30. 0 get cancels. 2 2's 4 by 3 kilometer. Because the distance is taken in kilometer. Then a equal to, if I convert into decimal, we'll get 1.3333. The 3 will be going on repeating kilometer. If you leave the answer till here also, it is enough. Then what is the conclusion? A is nothing but distance. Distance covered in 20 minutes. Hence, Namita covers 4 by 3 kilometer in 20 minutes. Okay. Next B question is also asked. What is that? What is the importance of morning walk? Why we have to go for morning walk? What is its importance? Morning walk keeps us healthy. Yes. It refreshes our mind and also soul. So this completes value based question also, children. So worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3 with value based question it completed. In the next class we'll discuss regarding the brain teasers, children. Hope this chapter is clear, children. Here are only two quantities to be known. One is direct variation or inverse variation. The another one is speed is equal to distance by time. When you are using speed equal to distance by time, be aware that conversion. Okay. So today we'll end the class, and in next class we'll discuss brain teasers, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. And when you are taking down in the classwork, please take down clearly and write the classwork neatly, children. And whenever we are starting the session, at that time please note down the date in the classwork. That is also very important thing, children. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.